Python pandas merge only certain columns. Is it possible to only merge some columns?
I have a data frame df1 with columns x, y, z, and df2 with columns x, a, b, c, d, e, f, etc.
I want to merge the two data frames on X, but I only want to merge columns df2.a, df2.b, not the entire data frame.
The result would be a data frame with x, y, z, a, b.
I could merge then delete the unwanted columns, but it seems like there is a better method.
You could merge the sub-data frame with just those columns.
You want to use two brackets, so if you are doing a VLOOKUP sort of action, this will give you everything in the original df plus add that one corresponding column in df2 that you want to join.
If you want to drop columns from the target data frame, but the columns are required for the join, you can do the following. The .drop columns equals key 1 part will prevent key 1 from being kept in the resulting data frame, despite it being required to join in the first place.
You can use .lock to select the specific columns with all rows and then pull that. An example is below. In this example, you are merging data frame 1 and data frame 2. You have chosen to do an outer left join on key. However, for data frame 2 you have specified .illic, which allows you to specify the rows and columns you want in a numerical format. Using column, you're selecting all rows, but 0 column 5 selects the first 5 columns. You could use .lock to specify by name, but if you're dealing with long column names, then .illic may be better.